In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay a speeding ticket online in New York. If you need to take care of a New York traffic ticket online, the process is pretty straightforward, but it's important to use the correct website based on where the violation was issued. In general, you can pay a New York traffic ticket online either through the New York DMV's Plead or Pay TVB Tickets portal for New York City violations, or through the New York State Traffic Violation Service, depending on the jurisdiction listed on your ticket. The first thing to do is identify what kind of ticket you have. If your speeding ticket was issued in New York City and it says Traffic Violations Bureau or TVB at the bottom, that means it is handled through the state DMV system. That detail is important because it tells you exactly where you need to go to complete your payment online. Once you've confirmed that, open the official New York State DMV traffic ticket service. This is the online portal used to plead or pay eligible TVB tickets. Make sure you are using the official government site so your payment is processed correctly and securely. Before you begin, have your ticket information ready. You will usually need your 8-digit traffic ticket number. In addition, the system may ask for your DMV ID number, or it may let you look up the ticket using your full name, date of birth, and gender. Having that information prepared ahead of time will help you move through the process more quickly and avoid entry errors. One important thing to keep in mind is that online options can vary depending on the type of violation. For example, if the issue is a camera ticket or a parking violation rather than a moving speeding ticket, there is also an NYC Pay or Dispute app that may be used for those cases. So if your notice is not actually a moving violation, double check the type of ticket before submitting payment. As you go through the online payment process, take a moment to review all the ticket details carefully. Make sure the ticket number, violation information, and any personal details shown on the screen match your documents. This small step can help prevent delays or payment issues. After you finish, be sure to save or screenshot your confirmation page and keep any receipt you receive. That proof of payment can be useful if you ever need to verify that the ticket was paid. That's the process for paying a speeding ticket online in New York. As long as you confirm the ticket type, use the correct official portal, and enter your information carefully, you should be able to complete everything online without much trouble.